Hi and welcome to Aztec Digital's first tutorial based on the Avada theme using the built-in web page builder. So this tutorial will help you create your first web page, and it will also help you add that web page to the menu so you can navigate to it. Any subsequent pages can be added the same way. So to begin, I'm already logged into my WordPress dashboard up here. If you'd like to then navigate down to Pages, and under Pages, when you hover over it, you should see All Pages and Add New. I'm going to select Add New, and then in the title box at the top, I'm going to give my web page a title of My New Web Page. For now, that's all I need to do. The URL will automatically be created by WordPress down here. So I'm going to go ahead, move over to the right hand side and click on the Publish. So the page is now published. All I have to do now is add it onto the menu bar so I can actually click on it and find it. So I'm going to go over to Appearance. Then I'm going to come down to Menus. And you can see here I've created a menu earlier called Navigation. If you don't have a menu in existence already, you can simply create one by typing in the title here and clicking on Save to the right hand side. Your menu should already be present if Aztec have created your web page. So all we need to do now is add the additional page. So I'm going to go to my left, check the tick box that says My New Web Page, and I'm going to click on Add to Menu. As soon as I do this, the web page will appear at the bottom. In order to actually finish and complete, I would have to click Save Menu, which will then publish it and add the menu button. However, just for the tutorial, I'm going to leave it where it is for a second before finishing and just show you how to rearrange the menus and some of the options that are available with the menu buttons. First of all, you can see My New Web Page is at the bottom. If I want that further to the left on the actual menu bar as it goes from left to right, I'm simply going to click on the button and drag it up, and that's all I need to do. If now I view my menu button, I will have My New Web Page first on the left, and then next on the left will come Sample Page. So that's how you work for what we call parent items. If, however, you want to make a drop down, now drop downs can have two tiers. So if I wanted to create a first tier drop down, for example, I want to put Sample Page as a child, as in underneath My New Web Page on the drop down, all I have to simply do is take it, drag it over and let go, and you'll see it automatically clicks into place one tier under and to the right. Now if I wanted to do an under menu for Sample Page, I could do the same again by adding another item and moving it one more indent underneath Sample Page. You can have as many under pages to each one as you want, but remember it needs also to look nice and it needs to be simple to navigate. So keep that in mind as you're going along. If at any time you change your mind or you wish to reorder, you simply drag the item to the right and it now becomes a parent menu again. And if you wish to change the order again, you simply drag and move it to wherever you want. When you're finished doing that, you simply click Save and Published. That's it, you're finished with that bit. If you wish to view it, a handy tip is if you go to the top corner where it has the site name here and it says Visit Site, all the way in the top corner, if you hold down the Control key on a Windows keyboard or Command on a Mac and left click, you'll see that you can open it in a new window. So you've got two windows open, one for the dashboard, or the back end as we like to call it, and one for the front end, which I'm now clicking on, so you can see here's my sample page, and here's my web page. And with one quick click, I can go straight back to my back end. So you don't have to keep going backwards and forwards. But what you do need to remember to do is, before you come to the front page here and view anything, you must refresh it at the top. Occasionally you'll find it automatically updates itself, but to be on the safe side and make sure you're not working on an old copy, always click the update button or F5 on your keyboard and make sure you're working on the latest version of the text or page. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found that easy enough to follow. Any questions or anything you think needs adding, please do let us know.